A sample video of making a box for air drag experiments. I'm going to suppose the box I want to make excuse me, is 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters on the bottom. And let's suppose I want walls that are 3 centimeters tall. Okay, so the long side, I'm going to want the wall, which is 3 centimeters, and then another marking at 3 plus 15 centimeters, and then another marking at 3 plus 15 plus 3. Then for the short side, I'm going to want to mark at 3, then 3 plus 10, 3 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. So let's start at the top here, and we'll just draw the box and draw the different marks. So this is the long side. I want to make the first mark at 3 centimeters. The next mark at 3 plus 15. This will be the actual bottom. 3 plus 15 is 18. And then add another 3 to that, 21 to get the wall. Then I'll make those marks down here too so I can draw some nice lines. At 3, 18, and 21. Go ahead and draw the lines. These will be my folding lines. That'll be a folding line for a wall. This will be a folding line for another wall. And this last line will be the top of the wall. Put an X for the part that I'm not using. Okay, now I can go along and make the short side. It's 3 for a wall, 3 plus 10, 13 for the bottom, and another 3, 16 for the other wall. Do the same thing down here. Three, 16, and no, 3, 13, and 16. And draw my lines. This line is going to be one edge of my usable space. And these other two lines will be my folding lines. Okay, and cut it out. So these two lines are my cutting lines. Recycle the scrap paper. Okay, so these lines are the folding lines. So I'll just fold along each of these. The corners aren't going to be nice yet. We'll fine-tune that a little bit. For now, we just need to establish. And which way you fold depends on what works easy for you. I'm going to fold this way so I can see the lines as I'm folding. And I'm going to kind of unfold it as I fold the next one. Okay, so now it's ready to fold to make the box. Now the corners are a little awkward. So as you're folding it, you can fold it so these edges here are lining up. And when it's in the right place, you can crease on the inside here along here in the corner. I guess you could have this fold outwards if you want fins, if that's part of your design. So I'm folding, and as I fold, I'm lining up these creases where the two folds are. And when I have it where I want it, I crease the inside corner. Okay, so there's a basic design. One thing you could do that could help if you want to know where this crease is to draw a line from the intersection of these two folds to the corner. And then to tighten it up, you could put a little spot of glue right here just to hold these together and make nice tight corners. For now, I'll just put little pieces of tape. Just putting the tape fairly close to the corner here so it can hold things together and make that corner nice and square. And there's a box. The bottom is 10 by 15. The walls are 3. And it falls very nicely.